How to create Steam account on mobile. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with step-by-step instructions that we can follow up and we should be able to create a new account on mobile application. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can open up a browser or download the Steam application and go ahead and open up the sign up page. So if you're specifically on browser, this is the following interface and we can look out for the menu option in the top left and go ahead and tap on the option called sign in. Once this page opens up, all we gotta do is scroll down from the sign in interface and tap on the option called create an account new to Steam. And once we tap on it, we can start with the process to create an account. Creating an account. So go ahead and enter up your email address that you would like to use in order to create the account. Just go over and enter it up. Once it is done, you can confirm of your email address and then choose up your country of resident and confirm of this captcha as well. Once it is confirmed, you can select this option of you are 13 years of age or older and agree to the terms and conditions and tap on continue. After that is done, you just need to go over and follow the prompts. And once you do so, you can return to the browser page to create up a new Steam account name and a strong password. Click on done to finish setting up your account, and once it is done, you can set up the Steam card mobile authenticator under the menu for enhanced security. But you can just go and follow out this method. You can choose up a unique username as many common names are already taken, and this is how you are able to create your account on mobile device. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.